Good morning, guys. I wanted to come show y'all this foolishness. I am getting ready to wash my hair, then I am going to be back with my 10-month update. So I just want to show y'all the foolishness I got going on in my hair. And the reason why I say foolishness is because look at these clips, y'all. I got clips everywhere. But what I'm trying to do, y'all, is I'm trying to stop using rubber bands, right? And just get so tired of fighting with the rubber bands. So, you know, hopefully I don't have to keep doing this much longer. But as long as I do, let me show y'all the back. Can y'all see the back there? It's a mess too, y'all. It's a mess too. But, you know, for as long as I do need to keep doing this, I'm trying to try a different method. So I got my nice little clips in there. I'm sure it'd be a lot easier to just boom boom pop the clip off than to be trying to cut or pop rubber bands. So I'm trying this out. Hopefully it works, but I'll be back for you guys with my 10-month update after I wash my hair. So stay tuned if you want to check that out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. This is Life with Shayla, and of course I am Shayla. So today we are going to be talking about my 10-month sister lock update. Month 10. First of all, I can't even believe that it's almost been a month. Like, dang. A year is coming up in no time. So month 10 has been the most challenging for me. I had a lot of slippage in the front, and you know what, I wouldn't even just call this slippage. Like, it just completely came out in the front. I want to say it's maybe like at least 4. I never really had issues with slippage. I mean, I know I just said that on one of my updates, so I never really had an issue with slippage. So that was really shocking to me, and it was just like I was ready to just shave my hair off, honestly. I'm like so hard on myself. When I saw the slippage, I'm like, you know what, girl, just get rid of your hair. Just get rid of your hair. Like 10 months in and this is what's going on. Like, that's crazy, right? I'll just check it up or whatever. So, you know, she said she got me when she see me, she's gonna get it fixed. I mean, of course she always does though. But that was pretty much the only like terrible thing, is the slippage in the front. Like, y'all, I'm just so ready for this hair to lock up. Well, I guess I can say is it seemed like some of the front ones are actually, I don't know if it's thinning out and breaking off, but like they're a lot shorter than what they used to be. Or at least I feel like they're not growing at a pace that the rest of them are. I'll be sure to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. But other than that, just like I've been dealing with crazy dry scalp, I'm surprised that 10 months in, like, I'm starting to deal with the flaky scalp, and that's really a bummer because, you know, like I can actually see the flakes. Like, I don't know if I need to wash my hair more often, but like I didn't have this issue before to where like my scalp was so dry. I'm starting to think that it may be the shampoo. I'm not a fan of the Sisterlocks starter shampoo. I was just trying to use it, you know, to follow the rules. But I think I'm definitely going to have to experiment and try new shampoos. I'm actually going to ask my loctician about that when I get my retie. I'm sorry, my Sisterlock consultant. I'm going to ask her about that when I get my retie, because something has got to give. I know at one point she told me to do an apple cider vinegar rinse, but I don't want to do an apple cider vinegar rinse every time I wash my hair because my scalp is so dry. At one point she did say my hair was locking up really good though, and I'm pretty sure because we have a water softener, which is salt water, so I'm sure that's helping it. But other than that, like, I'm just like at the point to where I'm kind of getting impatient. There's still some locks that are like really tiny. I'm waiting for them to thicken up. Like, if they don't thicken up soon, I may just lose my mind. Like, they're just like crazy tiny, and to me it seems like it's kind of causing the fact of where I may start losing locks, and I definitely don't want to deal with that. Then that's gonna definitely be another reason as to why I'm like, I just cut it off. Because, you know, that's just my go-to. Have an issue, just cut it off. Even though, you know, I'm not going to cut it or whatever. But in a moment where I'm having my little fits or tantrums, cutting it off just seems so easy, so simple. Not going to cut it though. But month 10, that's pretty much it. I've had major slippage. It seemed like maybe the locks have broken off some in the front because they're so thin. I'm waiting on the fullness to come. Like, yes, it's a lot fuller from day one, but just like my locks in general, like I still have so many thin locks, and I'm talking about like looking like they just got started. And it's mainly around my perimeter, mainly here. I have a few in the front, but still, like, I'm ready. I'm waiting. Sorry about this video being so late. I've been busy in and out of town, and then since, you know, being back in town, I've been trying to readjust my life, make sure the kids are taken care of, home is taken care of, and so filming was kind of put on the back burner. But I'm back, and you guys will actually be getting another update, my 11-month update soon, because it is also around the corner. But I'll be getting my retie tomorrow, so that's great because I can't wait to get these, especially this front. Like I told you guys before, my front gets old so fast, so I definitely can't wait to get that taken care of and get these ones that have come out handled as well. Like, I'm over the baby lock phase, and it seems like as they just come out, that's what happened, because it seemed like some hair has broken off. I'll be sure to kind of just show you guys what I'm talking about. But thank you guys for catching up with me. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be sure to catch you guys in my next video.